indices. A lot of indices, man. These are all the different laws governing indices. So we've got the obvious ones, x to the power of 3. I'll quickly run through the easy ones. X to the power of 2 equals x to the power of 5, right? You know that, right? When you multiply them, you add them. The ones that you don't know, I think, is like 4 to the power of 0, x to the power of 0. What happens when... Oh, no. So it's really easy. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Yeah, so anything to the power of 0 is 1. So that's to the power of 0. And then what about to the power of a half? Okay, not half in the number, but to the power of a half means half just means square root. So you're doing the square root. Yeah, that's the power of a half. Now, if half is a square root, then what do you think this may be? Cube root, yeah, square cubed. It's alright, man. It's alright. Okay, let's copy this down then. So that would be cube root, isn't it? So yeah, I believe that these are the ones that you don't know, so they should go in your notes definitely. These should go in your notes as well. I'm gonna try and I'll see if the audio works. I have not checked it out yet. I'm gonna check the audio, and if it works, I'll put that on YouTube and just call it law of indices and keep bombarding loads and loads of videos on there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, really good. Yeah, that's a really good observation. So 32 to the power of a fifth would be the fifth root of 32. So what five identical number that multiplies to make 32? Again, yeah, like with fifth root is such a big fifth, five same numbers, right? They have to be very small numbers in order to make just the 32. So yeah, the answer is 2 there. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I want to show you this one real quick. What if you have, what did you think about this one? 8 to the power of 2/3. It's cube root, yeah. It's cube root, because that's what it does. The 3 does the cube root, but then with the 2 in the numerator you have to square the number. And what I would recommend is you can do it in any order. You can cube root first and then square it after. But I recommend that you do it in that order though. Cube root first and square it after, because if you square 8, actually it doesn't really work with this example because the numbers are quite small. But say for example 27 to the power of 2/3, you wouldn't want to square 27. That would give you a massive number. And then try and find the cube root of that number is again very difficult. But if you cube root 27, it makes your number small straight away, and it's a bit easier to deal with. Am I making sense? Josh, yeah. So what are the... okay, I'll wait for you to copy that down. Okay. So, what are the solutions for these two? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, no, cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is 4. And there's 4... Oh, no. What am I saying? Sorry. Cube root of 8 is 2. And square that with the... Yeah. Okay. We're running out of time. Okay, I'll quickly show you this one real quick. 2 to the power of -3. What you're going to do is solve it as if you're solving 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. But then the negative, you have to take the reciprocal of 8. So reciprocal of 8 is just 1/8, and that's what the negative does. The negative, um, you have to do the reciprocal of the number. hmm But 1/that, right? Yeah, that's it.